An accounting application is usually made up of module and disparate sections that deal with specific accounting areas. With more and more accounting applications becoming available, it can be a drafting for any business or individuals to select the right accounting software package. Available accounting software package range them from very single to complex, which match disparity in price. When choosing an accounting software package, first determine the extrinsic of personal or company needs. Pitch 3 is an accounting software program sold by Rage in 1978, whose parent company in the Sage Group in 1998. The software is geared for use by small to medium-sized business and has progressed through several generations over the years since its conception. Pitch 3 accounting software's purpose is to help business run more efficiently and automate their accounting practice. Pitch 3 software offers a variety of software package with different features. The package include basic, standard, advanced, premium, and quantum. Basic is the entry-level program. Standards includes payroll. Advanced includes management tools, and premium includes advanced management tools. Pitch 3 software's most comprehensive package is Quantum, designed to be used by up to 30 licensed users. Pitch 3 offers software for payroll, editions for accounting professionals, industrial solution, and software for non-profit organization. Designed and developed by Sage Software, Pitch 3 Complete Accounting is an accounting software solution that has been designed and developed for small to medium-sized business organizations. The tool claims to offer its users a complete accounting package that can take care all their financial planning and management requirements. You can avail the single-user version or the multiple-user versions based on your business and financial requirements. The publisher also offers a trial version to help users check out the functionalities and features of the tool. Designed for Windows platforms, this tool claims to offer several useful functions for small and medium business organizations. Some of its prominent features are accounts payable and accounts receivable, budgeting analytics, costing inventory management, report management, customer relation management, and business intelligence. Therefore, this tool claims to cover almost all the important aspects of managing the finances and accounting requirements of an organization. The publisher also claims to offer a comprehensive help and support feature. For new users trying to understand the functioning of the software, there is an extensive tutorial. For any other queries and support, there is a community support as well as email support that the user can avail. Financial management and accounting is a very important aspect of any business organization. Appropriate handling of this aspect is imperative for the successful management of the entity, as well as evaluating the progress of the organization in terms of financial success and profit. This aspect is also important for planning future endeavors and achieving the goals of an organization, both in terms of finance as well as business. The tool claims to offer a comprehensive and complete solution that make managing your business accounting and finance easy and simple. The tool has received positive reviews from its user, making it an ideal choice. Starting and maintaining a business can be a lot of work, especially keeping track of the finance. One way to make keeping track of our business accounts much easier is by using Pitch 3 software, which allows the user to organize invoice, accounts, and customer records. Its easy to use interface and dummy-proof programming make it the perfect program for any business owner. A moving pointer and cursor indicate where to fill in information. In this example, the cursor guides you from one cell of the general journal to the next, as the audio explains how to fill in each cell and the correct data is automatically typed in as you watch. First, audio instructions are printed in the blue text box below the form. Second, the Things to Remember window appears to provide added information. Then, click Previous Step to replay the previous step demo. After that, click Next Step to go on to the next step of the demo. Page 2 of 9 indicates that this is the second of 9 screens. Next, click Replay Step to see the current step again. Lastly, click Exit to exit the demo and return to the Page 3 Problems and Tutorial memo.